The mental health part of Façade came on pretty early for me. That was like the easy part, but specific to Yara and her like journey to rise up from where she is, kind of started reflecting my life. As around the time I started making this story, the same thing happened to me in a professional sense. It wasn't just about my life, but it was about my friends who are also student leaders, living their days off and kind of having a struggle with opening up to people.
I would say it's more of everyone, even outside of school, has a struggle, has gone through something, has their own different story. And being able to see that this character, Yara, also goes through it too. Even as a student leader role and is very involved and seems like they have everything put together when really it's just hidden. And you have a mask and you keep it to yourself until you get home or you're by yourself, and just want to show to viewers that it's okay that for things like that to happen, and you're not alone in something like that.
The thing is, there are some films that go into mental illnesses and like schizophrenia and like anxiety attacks, even like the new person who's school. It's funny, but this one specifically, I love to make because you get to see that mental illness, mental health part of Yara in a very, very familiar place. So it doesn't just feel like it's another movie you're watching, but it feels like you're seeing a friend go through something that at the same school you go to.
I wanted to help with this film because I think that it shows that no matter what you deal with, because everybody has their own story, and it also affects like how you behave and your like characteristics. So, seeing what this main character and the people that surround her go through, I feel like it would be very motivating to see that even the director and the writer have understood and taken the time to even like portray something that possibly someone is going through right now.
Yara, have you been taking your meds recently?
You never kept anything from me. Why are you pushing me away?